Mexican cuisine, 10 must-try dishes you can't miss. Hello, and welcome to Smart English Start. This is your go-to channel for learning English while exploring the world. In this special series, we're traveling across the globe to discover must-try foods from different countries. Today, we're heading to Mexico, a country with a vibrant and flavorful food culture deeply rooted in history and tradition. From street food to home-cooked meals, Mexican cuisine is a celebration of bold flavors and fresh ingredients. Let's explore some of the most famous and delicious Mexican dishes that you absolutely need to try. Theme 1. The essence of Mexican cuisine. Mexican cuisine is built around fresh ingredients, bold spices, and a mix of indigenous and Spanish influences. Key ingredients include corn, beans, chili peppers, avocados, tomatoes, and various meats. A significant part of Mexican food culture is street food, where vendors serve some of the most iconic dishes in bustling markets and plazas. Whether you're in a fine dining restaurant or at a food stall, you're bound to find something delicious. Now let's explore the must-try dishes when visiting Mexico. Theme 2. Famous Mexican dishes and where to eat them. Tacos al Pastor. One of Mexico's most famous street foods, these tacos feature thinly sliced pork cooked on a vertical spit, served with pineapple, onions, and cilantro. The best tacos al pastor can be found in Mexico City's taquerias. Chiles and Nogada, a dish symbolizing the colors of the Mexican flag, featuring poblano peppers stuffed with spiced meat, covered in a creamy walnut sauce, and topped with pomegranate seeds. Best enjoyed in Puebla, where the dish originates. Tamales, corn dough filled with meats, cheeses, or chilies, wrapped in corn husks and steamed. The best tamales can be found at local markets throughout Oaxaca and Mexico City. Pozole, a rich hominy stew made with pork or chicken, topped with shredded cabbage, radish, lime, and oregano. This comforting dish is best tried in Guadalajara, known for its traditional pozole. Mole Poblano, a complex, rich sauce made with chili peppers, chocolate, and spices, served over chicken or turkey. The best mole poblano can be enjoyed in Puebla, its place of origin. Quesadillas, corn tortillas filled with cheese, meats, and vegetables, then grilled or fried. Some of the best quesadillas can be found at street stalls in Mexico City. Ceviche, a refreshing seafood dish made with raw fish marinated in lime juice, mixed with tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. The best ceviche is found along the coast in Cancun and Baja California. Birria, a slow-cooked spiced meat stew, typically made with goat or beef, served with consommé for dipping. This specialty is best experienced in Jalisco, where it originated. Elote, Mexican street corn, grilled corn on the cob slathered with mayo, cheese, chili powder, and lime. A staple street food found throughout Mexico, especially in Mexico City and Guadalajara. Churros, deep-fried dough pastries coated in sugar and cinnamon, often served with chocolate sauce. The best churros are found in Churreria El Moro in Mexico City. Each of these dishes represents a unique part of Mexico's diverse food culture, combining fresh ingredients, spices, and centuries of tradition. Theme 3. Travel tips for food lovers. Visit local markets like Mercado de San Juan in Mexico City for authentic street food experiences. Try different salsas. Mexican food is all about bold flavors, and many dishes come with a variety of spicy sauces. Don't be afraid to try antojitos, little cravings, like gorditas, soaps, and tlacoyos from street vendors. Pair your meal with a traditional drink like horchata, tamarindo, or a glass of tequila or mezcal. Mexican food is best enjoyed with friends and family. Sharing dishes is part of the experience. Let's learn English through food. Great food is a reason to travel, and learning English can make that experience even better. If you ever visit Mexico, don't miss the chance to try these incredible dishes. They tell a story of tradition, culture, and bold flavors. And remember, the more you explore, the more you learn. So keep improving your English and get ready for your next food adventure. See you in the next episode, where we'll explore Spain's incredible cuisine, including the famous paella and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.